Hello seller, I will try in front of you the bad connection, the OTG connection. See here, I plugged the USB and I'm trying to connect it to the S5 phone. Look at here, it will be connected, but if I want to access my USB, there is nothing here. Look, see? If I tried to remove it and plug it again, also I will face the same problem here. Okay, so I have another OTG connector, old one from other company. Look here, if I plugged it into the USB and I'm trying to connect it to my S5, see, work, and here USB storage, it will appear and directly I can access the USB